What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about a very important app. If you're using an Infinix device or if you're using an Android device, the name is going to be Infinix Wallet. As you can see here, Infinix Wallet is the name. So, for you, if you want to download the Infinix Wallet, it will be in the description box. You can download it from the Play Store, or it will be in the description box for you to download it. So once you download it, you have to open it up. Then you have to create an account with them. So basically what this does is that they can borrow you money, and then when you pay back on time, you will not get charged. So as you use the app, your credit balance will be going up, will be increasing. Like for now, I can be able to borrow 4,700 naira. I cannot borrow above that, and if I pay back on time, they will not charge me a dime. So that is very good. And you can also use the app to buy airtime, buy data, subscribe your TV, pay your electricity bill, do your orders, so many things. Once you just download the app, you can see. And also, why I love this app is that on Fridays they give you free coupon. That's free data day. As today is Friday. So how you can use this free data, you can just click on free data day, and it's going to load up and it's going to show you that you have a coupon, and you click confirm. So this is actually the second time I'm doing this today. So this is actually the second time I'm doing it. It's not today, but I did it last Friday and I did it today, and I want to share it to you guys how this works. So I have a 200 naira data coupon. Not everybody will give you 200 naira. 200 naira, I know it's a little money, but yeah, it works. It just gave me free 200 naira to use and buy card or to use and buy data. So I'm going to click use. Then I'll select the network I want to use it on. For instance, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to find one for 200 naira. For now, I'm just going to buy this 200 MB for 2 days. So you click on it, and it's going to say use the coupon to buy it for you. So once you click pay, it's going to ask you for this, and then I'm going to be blowing this out. And you can see they've used my coupon to give me free data. So that's basically what it does. And I can also give you, so the link to download will be in the description box, do not forget. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.